Philippines. Today, on the World AIDS Day, we come together to honor the millions of people living with HIV and to remember those who have lost. This day is not just about advocacy and awareness. This is all about dignity, hope, and action. We are in history where science has given us a lot of preventive tools, such as treatments that allows people living with HIV to thrive, and prevention for all. But yet, stigma and miscommunication and misinformation are still holding the rights of people when it comes to healthcare services. And as an advocate for HIV, I will continue to maximize my platform to educate the people, especially the youth, to keep them pushed for a world where no one is being judged because of their status, where prevention is accessible to all, a world where treatment is a right, not a privilege. I believe if we act as one, we can end the stigma, we can end AIDS. Mabuhay, Pilipinas!